Hello, lovely kids. Today we are going to make a very beautiful rainbow drawing. Let's start together. First, draw two round and fluffy clouds on both sides of the rainbow. Make sure the clouds look soft and cute, just like cotton. Now, start drawing the rainbow. Begin with one big curved line at the top. Draw another curved line just below it. Keep drawing more curved lines, one inside the other until you have 7 beautiful rainbow lines. Now trace all your pencil lines with a black marker. The drawing already looks so nice. Now let's fill it with colors. Red color. Color the first top line red. Orange color. Then color the second line orange. Yellow color. Next, color the third line yellow. Green color. Then fill the fourth line with green. Blue color. After that, color the fifth line blue. Pink color. And finally, color the last line pink. Leave the clouds white because real clouds are white in color. Amazing work, kids! Our lovely rainbow drawing is now complete. Good job!